It is better to eat kiwi in the morning on an empty stomach. Along with detoxing your body, the nutrients give you the energy you need to go through the day. Ingredients: 2 servings. Rolled oats, 1 cup, whole, not quick or steel-cut oats. Chia seeds, 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened coconut flakes plus additional for the topping. Sea salt, 1/8 teaspoon, or super small pinch of. A cup of milk. I adore 2% or full milk. 1/3 cup plain Greek yogurt. Vanilla extract, half a teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of honey, or agave, or maple syrup. 2 kiwis, peeled and diced.